I'm having a good time all by myself. And I never thought I would say that, but I really am, guys. So let's explore some more. Good morning from Hollywood, Florida. My name is Siobhan, and this is day 2 of my momcation, solo travel, whatever you want to call it. Today, I am going to go out and do some exploring. So I want to bring you guys along with me to explore Hollywood and Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I want to give a special shout out to my friend Cheryl for allowing me to have this mini vacay at her spot. She is a excellent solo traveler, and I am going to try to take all the tips and tricks from her and advice I can get from her on how to solo travel. But in the meantime, let's get ready to start our day. We've already had breakfast and we're ready to head out and see what the area has to offer. So come on, y'all, let's go. All right, so I have my first ride of today. I'm going to go to the Yellow and Green Farmers Market. It is not that far away. It's about a 3-mile drive. So I am ready to get out and explore. I'm a little nervous. So that's what I'll be doing. So I will see you guys in a bit. I called a lift. All right, so I made it here. Had a nice Uber driver, quiet and quick. I'm at the Yellow and Green Farmers Market on Sheridan in Hollywood, Florida. So let's go check it out. So this is the entrance. It's really cool so far. I like it. And I can already tell y'all, I'm gonna be in trouble because everything smells so good out here. There's a lot of food vendors out here and everything smells so good so far. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end up trying some different things. They even got $2 draft beer, so interested to see how this is gonna play out.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.
Now, I know Royal Caribbean made a lot of money off those jerseys because I was there to see it myself firsthand on Icon. So I'm 15 minutes in and I've already purchased something. I'm not even 15 minutes in, I just walked in. But I don't even buy perfume, but I did find some and they gave a little tester sample of it. So yeah, I figured why not try it. So I brought some perfume. You only live once, right?
Obama, I try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remake with that pin all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice too. Why you say I did nothing for you?
Got me again. All right, so food. I am at the Trap Lobster Rolls for the culture. Okay, y'all, this is too cute. I like the vibe of it. So they give you a taste of the lobster. So I got a lobster, like a slider in butter, just because I didn't want to spend $25 on a lobster roll. I mean, I understand it is lobster. It was good, but I think I'm going to be testing stuff throughout the day. So I just figured I'll just get a mini version of it. But this is the flyer, and I'll show you the little stand. And they do have like a lobster grilled cheese. It's really cute. So if you get a lobster roll, it does come with a side of chips. And the soup of the day is a clam chowder. And as much as I like a clam chowder, I just can't do it today. It's too hot. So let's see how this lobster slider is.
If I do anything you want me to do, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life.
Here we go. Oh, this is good. This is really good. So the bun is super buttery. The toasted is really good. The lobster is buttery. It's warm. The lemon just kind of took the lobster to another level. No, this is good. If you're here, you need to grab one of these for real. That was so good. If I did not have to navigate this day, I would probably got a large one. That was so good. I have really I'm gonna go back and try to explore a little bit more, but I'm having a good time all by myself. And I never thought I would say that, but I really am, guys. So let's explore some more. I've had a beautiful day here at the farmers market in Fort Lauderdale. It's been really good. Y'all can believe I'm enjoying spending time by myself, but this is the place. So if you ever want to visit, I will put the link to the farmers market here in the description of the video. Next, I'm going to go to one of the next places that was suggested as most popular here in Hollywood, Florida, and it's called the Donut Factory. And I'm kind of interested. You know, I have a sweet tooth. In case you didn't know, I do have a sweet tooth. I'm interested to see if the Donut Factory is everything that I have read about online. So I will link that in the description as well. Everything that I'm doing today, I will link. But I am actually taking what is called Circuit here in Hollywood, Florida. So basically, it's like a small electric car. It'll come by and pick you up. And they have promotions where they'll pick you up for like $2 a ride. So I am actually doing that, but right now with the area that I'm in, they're actually offering free rides. So I am going to take the Circuit there, and then I'm going to ask the driver if there are some like particular things he suggests that I would do today. If not, I am probably going to head back to Cheryl's apartment and get ready because we're supposed to be doing an art walk tonight, and it is about 3 now. So we'll see. But as of right now, I've enjoyed my day. I'm going to go to the Donut Factory, and I will see you guys soon. I made it here to Hollywood Donut. It's a little hole in the wall now, y'all. It's kind of, I don't know, there's a building with a board in front of it. But yeah, we are here in front of Hollywood Donuts. I'm going to go in and try it out, and then I'm going to head back to Cheryl. So let's go. Just my luck, y'all. They close at 3 p.m. and it's 3:16, so I missed it. So yeah, I am going to find the next move, and then I'm gonna head back to Cheryl. So you know what? There's a Miami Subs across the street. Let me go over there. Talk about the Donut Factory closes at 3 o'clock. I got there at 3:16. So I had to figure out another option. I wasn't going back to the apartment. I didn't want to go back just yet. So I saw Miami Subs across the street. I was like, come on, Miami Subs. So here I am in the Caesar fry and a half-filled cheesesteak. Now, this was a twofold effort. One, because it's hot outside. It is hot. And it's a dry heat today. So for me, I need a second to cool down, look up some stuff and regroup. So I think what I'm going to do is just eat my sub, and then I will regroup on what I'm going to do next. I have an idea, but we'll see. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. So as of right now, I'm just going to eat, and then I'll probably head back to Cheryl's. So, because tonight we're doing the art walk. It starts at 6. It is now 3:32. So I'll probably head back, just do a little bit of editing, and then I will get back up with y'all and go to art walk. So see you soon.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So right now I am headed over to the art walk. Now Cheryl is still editing some videos, so she's going to finish up and meet me over there. But I'm going to go out on my own and see if I can make this thing happen. So it looks like they're setting up for fans, and I'm pretty interested. I'm pretty excited about this. We're about to start a mural tour, and they gave us maps so we can follow along. So let's go. So the art walk was a really cool and different experience. Thank you, Cheryl, for recommending it. So I'm gonna take a look now with some of the vendors, just see what they have out here, and then I probably will go into Redwood and have a drink because the guy was like, "Hey, come have a drink," and I was like, "Okay." So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I will check back in with you guys in a bit. Alright, so as you guys can see, this art walk is really a vibe. I've been enjoying the music, just hanging out. Cheryl is still editing. She said it took a little longer, which is fine. I'm really having a good time. But I'm about to go to Redwood and have that drink. I never made it to it, so I'm gonna go to Redwood and have a drink and maybe have an appetizer. Then I'll probably head back to the apartment. So let's go. Guys, I have had a full day. I have ate, I have drank, I have explored, and now I'm going to head back to the apartment and crash. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see what I got into tomorrow. And night, fam.